what's happening, y'all. We're going to see if the compact brushless Milwaukee M18 hammer drill can make more torque than my M12 Gen 3 fuel 3404. It is in peak torque mode. The M12 made 28 pounds. Let's see. We'll get this out first. And we'll restart this. I said the Gen 3 made 28 foot-pounds of torque. This is in peak torque. Speed 1 drill mode. Fully charged 5 amp hour battery. XC. That's what I'll be comparing it with to make it fair as possible. M12 made 28. M18 made 24. We'll see you all in the next one.